like playing games, board games. First few dates, we went to some board game shops.
It's a board game shop. We did the improv show.
Went to an improv show the first couple dates. Traveling, we've been to a few big cities across America. Gonna go international in a few days.
Yeah. We also like to just hang out and chill. Something that we have started doing is we'll have documentary days where we just get frozen pizzas and frozen chicken nuggets and we just lay in bed all day. That was your boop.
Wow.
Hi.
You look good.
Thanks, and you.
Wow, look at you. You look good.
Do you look like a fairy princess?
You do.
That's amazing.
I felt her energy is just really kind, and everybody, I brought her around friends and family, and everybody that's ever met her like falls in love with her. And I was the main one that fell in love with her. But yeah, I was like, she has such a great positive energy and full of joy.
When we met, I was like, there's something different here. Like, there's just something that just feels so right. The thought of being apart, like, felt wrong.
I love Michelle's pursuit of education and knowledge and growing self-development. She's always determined to, whatever she sets her mind to, she's gonna do it. And she loves me well while doing those things.
Stanley, he's always trying to grow and learn new things. Like, I really admire just like the love for learning, and it's really amazing to just watch all of the different things you do and grow to become. I am the luckiest.
There's only